Hello viewers, we have brought to you the top 3 bike repair stand review powered by the CR Review. Number 3. You need a bike repair stand to take care of swapping tires, lubing a chain, adjusting the derailleurs, or building a new bike. The bike stand must be good looking, heavy duty, light, foldable, portable, adjustable and good value. Bika Hunt Bike Repair Stand is one of the best available choices. The wide range height adjustment allows you to work a very comfortable position. Magnetic tool plate is also included in this deal. It makes the tools very handy. It is better to clamp on seat post for your carbon bikes in order to avoid damaging the carbon frame. It is very easy to fold the legs and head by quick release lock handle. This features space saving while not in use. Patented clamp accepts the tube and shade thickness from 1 inch to 2.4 inch and width from 1 inch to 2.55 inch tubes. The height adjustment range is 39 inches to 59 inches. Number 2. Let's face it, working on your bike is no fun if you're bent at the knees fumbling with it as it rolls along the workbench at home. Why not make life easy? Stand erect like nature intended, and get the cable replaced like a seasoned pro mechanic. The Park Tool PCS10 Home Mechanic Repair Stand is exactly what you need to secure your bike at a proper working height so your maintenance will be that much easier and quicker. The PCS10 Repair Stand has a cam-actuated clamp that has adjustable jaws that can safely accommodate frame tubes from 7/8 to 3 inches. They open along the plane of the bike, so they work great for deep, arrow-shaped frame tubes. Number 1. Rotating head adjusts clamp to any angle. Height adjustable from 45 inches to 72 inches. Clamp allows for clamping of tubes from 30 mm to 70 mm. Folding legs allow for easy transportation. Free tool tray included.